Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. Today we're picking some apples. So we all know how to pick an apple, but what if we're wanting this apple to keep well? Picking an apple is not that simple of a thing as far as how well it keeps in your refrigerator. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come to this apple, and you can see that the stem comes out of a bud. And we give it a gentle pull and a twist, and you can see that the stem is intact on that apple. So when we're putting these in our refrigerator to keep, cold storage or whatever, what you want is an unblemished fruit, no damage, and an intact stem. So if we just yank one off and pull the stem, what we get is a stem pull. A stem pull will allow air to get in where the stem came out, and the apple will immediately begin to decompose. So picking your apples and your pears with the stem will make them keep a whole lot better. Again, check the quality of the fruit, no blemishes, no bird pecks. Imagine this as being a container. Well, you sure wouldn't crack open the spaghetti sauce and then put it in the pantry, would you? You want to have the lid on tight. Well, this is the equivalent of the lids on tight. And I keep them I have a spare refrigerator. I keep apples carefully picked and sorted until May or June at 32, 33 degrees.